Kim Congdon. This is my co-host,
Sara Weinshenk.
And we're really excited to bring you this next guest. He's a super funny guy.
You've seen him everywhere.
It's Sherrod Small.
Yay! Hi, love. Hi, thank you so much for coming on this. Hi. Oh my goodness.
So today we're exploring crime, forensics.
I like how I'm on a crime episode. That's nice. Sweet.
Oh, you know what? Fuck, that is.
Passive aggressive much?
That's pretty
I
fucked up.
didn't pick the experiment. So, this show is presented to you by Smoked Honey. We love them.
Oh, that's good.
Isn't that good?
So DNA is short for, okay.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Yes, do it.
Deoxyribonucleic acid. It's found in the cells of nearly every living thing, including all pants. I said pants.
Yeah, well,
But it should
wow.
be but it should be plants and animals.
Yes.
Each person's DNA is different except for identical twins. If a person's blood, skin, hair, etc. is left at a crime scene, a DNA sample can often be taken to identify that person. So don't ever leave your house if you don't want people leaving.
That's a lesson you got from it. Don't leave your house.
So before we get into forensics,
Right.
DNA.
Oh no.
Oh, glasses. Should I
Yeah.
put these on
Can
first?
I tell you how hard these are to see? Yours are all
Oh.
wet.
Sorry, I have to put my DNA on.
Here you go.
I usually get charged for that.
Oh gosh. Okay, so this is a whole crime that's happened.
Okay.
And now we have these strawberries. They're left half eaten from a lunch sack.
They look full to me. Can I bite some of them so the evidence looks more realistic?
Yes, of course. Maybe there's some DNA we can pull from whoever ate the fruit.
Wasn't
on the
me. I'm not
table.
eating the fucking fruit.
Put the bottle of rubbing alcohol in the freezer for 30 minutes. Oh, fuck.
Make a mixture that will help break down the cells inside the fruit. Well, that's not a very specific step 2. What the fuck does that mean?
What do we gotta put in there?
Well, let's keep.
Okay. Oh, fill a cylinder with water up to the 9mm mark.
Oh, this.
There we go.
Ooh.
This looks like what you would come in and then freeze if you wanted to have
Go to
children
23
later.
and me. I guess I did Ancestry.com wrong.
So this is what we're gonna be storing the DNA in, I guess.
Yeah, bitch, put the water in. We gotta get
Wait, read the directions.
fill it to the 9mm mark with water.
There we go.
Oh shit. Just
Now-
dump some out into the ash cup or whatever.
Add
think
1
you poured it
milliliter
perfect.
of liquid dish soap.
Look at that.
Filling
you
the cylinder up to 10 milliliters. Now we have to add a tiny pinch of salt and gently swirl the mixture.
Yes.
That's
perfect.
a
That's
perfect
a pinch.
pinch. Put your piece of fruit in a small plastic bag.
That's how my
with
parents
my
described putting on a condom. That's how my nana said it.
Zip the bag shut. Mash the fruit by pressing the bag with your hands.
Shouldn't it be a
With
bit like somebody
alcohol.
bite the fruit first? That's what we're trying to get the DNA off of it.
Yeah, bite yours.
I don't know. Do you think this really can get DNA?
It really just doesn't seem like it. I mean,
If you could catch cum on this thing, I'll be impressed. Pour the mixture from the cylinder into the bag with fruit. Mash this with your hands for 2 whole minutes.
2 minutes.
Yeah.
That's a hand job.
Yeah.
Yay. Feels nice.
Okay, so put this over
nice.
here and do it so it's curved. Using
here.
snipper, snip
Let me- I'll
one
do
part
that
of
while
the
you
bottom
smell.
of the Ziploc bag. Pour fruit mixture onto coffee covering the top. Leave for 10 minutes.
The longest 2 minutes of
shit.
my fucking
We gotta
life.
hurry up because we gotta leave this for a minute.
Wait. Listen, sister. We still got 60 seconds. Don't be rushing me like that.
Okay,
30 more
that's good.
seconds. No,
No.
no.
We
Can't
need to
cut
leave it
time.
for 10 minutes.
What? Ain't this like a cooking show where you already did put one in the oven already so you can bring it out on air?
No, this is real science. All right, now
Okay.
you cut this corner and you squeeze it over this.
Over that. I'm out of there. You gotta put more.
Ah, we reached a pulp. It looks like a nipple.
It does. Like a bloody nipple.
Honestly, it's freaking me out. Now that you said it's nipple, I can't stop saying nipple.
Oh, you're fucked. We got your DNA. What if we're both pregnant and we call you in a month?
Like, prove it's my DNA. Oh,
I'm like, it's a redhead.
we were exploring fertility. You know that strawberry sauce? I put it up myself.
DNA, it looks like a clump of slimy, tiny white threads all bulbed together.
I got some socks that look like they're full of DNA. So 10 minutes we have to wait for this DNA to show up on a napkin?
I guess
How
we
does
could hang out.
You guys, there is only 1 in 64 billion likelihood that a pair of unrelated people will carry closely matching DNA.
Ah, but it's possible, Your Honor. That's what I heard.
What? We have to wait another 10 minutes?
Being misidentified.
We're starting now. I'm not waiting.
It's fine.
Look, we got DNA in here. So carefully take the coffee filter and everything inside off the top of the cup. Now take the rubbing alcohol from the freezer. We should have left that in there.
Wait,
while
listen to this. Listen to this. This is crazy.
and measure out 25 milliliters.
In the same way that measuring two different people will give different DNA results, knees and ankles will also produce different results.
They never got along. Not in my body. What am I measuring this out to?
25 milliliters. So about
Damn. Okay.
this would be 25.
Now
So
what?
pour rubbing alcohol into the test tube, add the fruit mixture to the alcohol in the test tube, and put the cap on.
Guess what part of the body is the worst for DNA testing?
The butthole?
Hair strands.
I'm talking about as taking it from somebody.
Now
Can I
we
get
just
that?
wait to see the DNA.
Okay.
We just see it. Doesn't seem right.
I think I see it starting to happen.
No.
Yes.
I don't see shit.
DNA.
I see clouds and
Can
stuff
I see
starting
what
to
we're
form in there.
supposed to, is
You don't
supposed
see
to
the clouds
happen?
forming
Can
in
we
there?
not get my dirty nails in the shot?
It's science. Nobody's like this. Ooh, her nails look bad on science show.
Kim, you're acting like me right now.
You're supposed to be in
I'm
there
sick
with
of
the
the
chemicals.
shit.
Look what it's doing.
Oh yeah, it's doing, okay, remember how I said earlier that DNA usually looks like a clump of slimy, tiny white threads?
That's it.
Together.
Oh, that's it!
That's it. We got it, you sons of bitches.
That's your spit.
That's my DNA. Don't be so street about it.
Alex is saying no.
Hold on, I have it.
Over time, these threads will float to the surface of the alcohol and you can use a toothpick to pick them up.
That's crazy.
We've got the DNA from the fruit at the crime scene. Well then, why do we need the DNA of the fucking fruit?
Why would they do that?
Why would they make a whole thing about a crime scene and then we found out the fruit did the crime?
No, it says, that's not what it says. It says,
Banana came in here with an attitude last night
not true.
and drunk
Ah.
and killed a couple people.
See, in this strawberry, I'm seeing some pear.
no.
I think we did it. No, you
No.
gotta get a toothpick.
No, so
wait, patience. That's it.
Oh my god!
told you.
We got DNA from.
Oh my god!
Sarah, look.
That's it.
It says, listen to this.
Hold it. Oh, damn.
Since all living things have
that
DNA
ain't
in
gonna
them,
work out.
much of this DNA must be from the fruit
Patience,
itself.
Luke Skywalker.
But let's hope the thief left some too.
Did you get it?
Should I scoop it back in? It's really bad.
I don't think DNA works like that, bro.
Here you go.
Did you get the shot?
No.
No. Come in this. Well, Sherrod,
It worked. I gotta say,
thank you for coming on to Stone Science.
I think we solved some problems.
We did. We know that strawberry was definitely a strawberry.
If the strawberry ever try to pull some stuff in this city, we'll find them.
Well, Sherrod, where can people find you?
Race Wars is on patreon.com/racewars. And go to smallworldcomedy.com. Check out my shows.
Okay, I'm Kim Congdon.
At Kim Congdon, Kimberly Congdon. This is my co-host Sara Weinshenk. At Kimberly Shank. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, all those things. Make sure to check out Smoked Honey, smokehoneyca.com.
Bye.
You guys make things fun.